Hey guys, so quick video for you. The reasons why you shouldn't buy the Flatrock flat top grill. The important things to be aware of if you want to acquire it. So first thing first, yes, it got like great heat distribution. Like if you want to actually get it, the wind protection is good. Also build like a tank. Also like another thing, the true zone temperature control, premium hinge lid included. So I mean like it's great. You get also 5-year warranty. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but the important thing is expensive. Okay, so this is not a cheap thing. You get like $999 for the free zone griddle. For 2 zone, you get like $800. So that's important. And also, for $900, you don't really have any cover. The cover comes with the extra charge, so that's important. Also, it requires electricity. So that's like another thing. And then also smaller surface than 36, let's say Blackstone. That's another thing. And heat slower is a little bit slower, so that's something to be aware of. And you don't have, like, for example, for this one right here, the Flatrock free zone griddle, you don't have the bottom storage. So if you want to get like best build, most consistent heating griddle on the market and don't mind paying premium, like the Flatrock delivers. And primarily like the budget is the most important thing. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And the last thing is the handle holes drop food. So there it says the design requires handles built into griddle top, and when you're sweeping fried rice or stir fry across the surface, the smaller foods can fall through those handle holes. So this is something to also be aware of primarily. But other than that, it's like very good product. So see ya and goodbye.